Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, how you can open or register for a LinkedIn account for student. In order to register a LinkedIn account for students, you'll need to first install the LinkedIn app on your device. After that, you'll need to open up your application. After you open up your application, you'll be taken to the sign in or login interface. If you already have an account, select the method of signing in and login into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click on join LinkedIn, which will be located right on top. Right over here, you'll be asked to provide whether a phone number or an email address. Select either one of it, or you can also continue with your Google or Facebook account. Now in my case, I'm just gonna go with the email address. Now you'll be asked to enter in the first and the last name, so quickly enter in the information and click on agree and join, which is right at the bottom. You'll need to confirm your location, click on the next button. So now this is one of the important part if you're creating a student account. As you can see right on top, there are two different options, that is I'm a student or most recent job title. If you're already a student, then toggle the switch and you'll be asked to enter in or provide in your school, university and degree, specialization, started year and all that. Quickly enter in all of these information. Once you're done entering the information, go ahead and tap on next, which is right at the bottom. If you want to take a picture, you can also do that for a profile. Then you can just click on add a photo or skip for now. After that, you'll be asked to verify your email address. So for that, a confirmation email has been sent. You'll need to open up your email address and then check for the verification code. So after you're done entering the verification code, you'll be asked to select whether you are actually looking for a job or not. If yes, click on the next, or you can simply skip this part. And you need to click on the next button after you're done entering all of these information. So you need to type in the title. Next page, you need to go through it and click on the next button. Now your account has been created. So in this way, you can create a student account on LinkedIn. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.